For each of the following problems, define the constant of proportionality to answer the follow-up question. And number 1, it says bananas are 59 cents per pound. What is the constant of proportionality for K? K is equal to 0.59. So if each pound costs 59 cents and we want 25 pounds, we need to multiply those together. Nine times 5 is 45. 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 4 more makes 29. 5 times 0 is 0, but plus 2 more, we need that extra 2 up there. Then we need a place value spacer. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 5 is 10, plus that 1 on top makes 11. Our question had 2 decimal spots, so our answer needs 2 as well. So $14.75. Number 2, the dry cleaning fee for 3 pairs of pants is $18. What is the constant of proportionality? Remember, it's always cost per item. 18 divided by 3 is 6, so K must equal 6. And it would be dollars per pair. Then it says in part B, how much will the dry cleaner charge for 11 pairs of pants? If each pair costs the dry cleaner or charges $6 and we need 11 of them, 11 times 6 is 66. So it'll be $66 for all 11 of those pants.